Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use styles, like the styles feature in Canva. So you're just going to select more here and you're going to select styles. I'm just going to scroll down until I find one that I like. I'm just going to use the combinations for this one, and I'm just going to choose this one and I'm just going to add it. You can shuffle between these colors that they give. There's pink, I think that's black, or really dark blue, I'm not sure, orange, blue, brown, and this cream color. So right now I have this cream color on, and I'm just going to select shuffle until I find the kind of color that I want. I like this one, so I'm just going to go with this one, and I'm just going to change the heading and the subheading. Maybe I'm just going to write and the body. And that's pretty much how you can use this like style sort of feature that they give. I think it's cute and it makes like designing more simpler, of course. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!